Hello, future QA engineers. Welcome back to our command center here at QA Online Academy. I'm Lily, and I'm ready to decode some more HTML with you today. I hope you've spent some quality time practicing your HTML headings. Mastering hierarchy is essential before we start filling in the blanks. Today's mission, HTML paragraphs. We're moving beyond titles to the actual blocks of text that make up the heart of your web content. We'll learn about paragraph tags, how browsers display them, and some clever tricks for formatting text exactly how you want it. Let's initialize. The P element defines a paragraph. It always starts on a new line, and browsers automatically add a small margin before and after it. Note that browsers are picky. They ignore extra spaces and new lines in your source code, collapsing them into a single line on the page. The HR tag defines a thematic break. It's usually shown as a horizontal line to separate different content sections on your page. If you need a new line without a new paragraph, use the BR tag. It's an empty element, meaning it has no closing tag. Standard paragraph tags can't handle complex layouts like poems. They'll just display everything on one long, messy line. The solution is the pre element. It preserves both your spaces and line breaks, using a fixed-width font for perfect formatting. So, we have P for text blocks, HR for horizontal rules, BR for line breaks, and PRE for pre-formatted text. Use them wisely. Time for some hands-on automation. Open PyCharm on your computer right now for our first paragraph challenge. Your task, create a simple HTML page with 2 paragraphs, separated by a horizontal rule using the HR tag. 10 seconds start now. Excellent work. Your code should show those 2 paragraphs with a clean horizontal line breaking them up. Mission accomplished. You're becoming quite the HTML experts. Understanding text structure is the foundation of building clear professional websites. Next time, we'll start adding some flair in HTML styles. Be sure to go back and practice our previous chapters in your free time. Join our network. Subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok. Check out our official website. And please leave your feedback. We value it. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next chapter. Until then, happy coding and goodbye.